when everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night. It's Christmas, a winter wonderland.
Welcome back, family. If you are new, welcome. My name is Linda / the boss. Thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome to my winter wonderland, decoding ideas with the boss. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and smash the bell icon so you won't miss any of my future uploads. Happy holidays from my family to yours. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video, I am collaborating with my girl, my YouTube sister, Didi, the mom, the boss. Please keep on watching for all the details. Her link will be in my description box down below.
Tell me again with a whisper.
Coucou ma famille, si vous êtes nouveau, bienvenue, je m'appelle Linda. Merci beaucoup pour votre visite. Bienvenue chez moi. La vidéo d'aujourd'hui, je vais décorer pour Noël. S'il vous plaît, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner, liker et écraser la cloche de notification pour ne pas manquer aucune de mes vidéos. Joyeux Noël de ma famille à la vôtre.
I see snowflakes on the chimney.
In today's video, I am collaborating with my girl, my YouTube sister, Didi, mom boss. I am very excited. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. When you guys are done watching my video, please head over to her channel, show her some love, let her know that Linda sent you. Her link will be in my description box down below. On her channel, she posts tons of home decor. She has a beautiful home. For more Christmas decorating ideas, head over to Didi's channel. She has it all. Please don't forget to subscribe to her channel. Let her know that the boss sent you. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve.
If you are from Didi Mom Boss channel, hello and welcome. My name is Linda / the boss. Thank you so much for stopping by. I am so glad to have you here. Welcome to my winter wonderland, decorating ideas with the boss. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and smash the bell icon for every time I upload a new video. Happy holidays from my family to yours. Bonjour, bonsoir, amis, famille, moi, yo, comment nous y ça qu'a fait, c'est Linda. Je dis à montrer la carreau avec une nouvelle vidéo. Vidéo aujourd'hui, moi, pour montrer comment moi, te ranger famille ou moins. Ça, c'est côté, moi-même avec famille, moi, nous passer temps pour nous regarder télévision. Moi, pour montrer comment moi, te décorer pour Christmas. Pas oublier pour la vidéo, ça, yon pouce bleu, et puis partager-les avec amis et puis famille. Et puis faites-moi connaître dans les commentaires là. Merci un peu pour le support. On a pour dans un prochain épisode encore. C'était amis Linda / the boss. Joyeux Noël de famille Pam à famille Paul.
Playing on.
Guys, in this video, as you can see, I am decorating our family room. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please let me know in the comment down below. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for your love and support. Now keep on watching.
He rubs his tired eyes and lifts his weary head.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, salam alaikum, buenos dias, mabuhay, kijanouye, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Hey you guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. Like I said, my name is Linda / the boss. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are home decor lover, you click on the white page.
Never thought to ask what.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so because you don't want to miss any of my future uploads. I have a series going on right now, Winter Wonderland Decorating Ideas with the Boss. Thank you so much for stopping by. Now, let's get it done like a boss. Let me know in the comment down below what do you think about today's video.
He goes into the workshop that's been burning the midnight oil. He greets all the busy helpers in the midst of their toil. He looks into the progress, and it seems as every year they'll be cutting it close, but that's just how it goes. Of that he has no fear. Oh, but no one's ever thought to ask what's in his heart. And if even Santa Claus has hopes and dreams, just for one day, if mankind would find a way to be at peace with one and all, this lonely call is Santa's only way. This lonely call is Santa's only way. This lonely call is Santa's only way.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Savior.
Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in the next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, la prochaine. Malé, peace out.
In